Hello, my dear students. Today we will be continuing with digital documentation part 2, and in today's session we'll be completing two topics, that is working with templates and using a table of contents. Now first of all, let's know what do you mean by templates. होता क्या है ये? A template is you can say a sample, a demo. Okay, a template is a model that you use to create other documents. Means एक model, एक sample, एक sort of document which again and again we can use, we can reuse. For example, you can create a template for business reports that has your company logo on the first page. For example, for any of the school name with address and logo, that particular setting, that same template is being used on report cards, visitor card, identity cards, diaries, means on magazines, on everything the same type of templates are used for a specific organization or any of the school, right? So templates can contain anything that regular documents can contain, like text, graphics, set of styles, and user specific setup information such as measurement units, language, and default printer and toolbar and menu customization. Means all these things can be included in templates, like collective sort of formatting, you can say, that can be counted in styles, a particular page margin, page formatting, graphics, text setting, all that we can set one time and we can use again and again through templates only, right? All documents in OpenOffice are based on templates. You can create a specific template for any document type, that can be a document, spreadsheet, or presentation, right? If you don't specify a template when you start a new document, then the document is based on default template for that type of document, right? Whenever we open any of the new file, at that time also the file which is opening in front of us, that is being set as default template, right? If you have not specified any of the default template, then OpenOffice uses the blank template for that type of document which is installed in OpenOffice. We can create templates through two methods, that is using a document and using a wizard. Today we'll learn both the methods one by one. Now let's see how to create a template from a document, right? For this, first of all, we have to open a new, or you can also open the existing document which we want to make or convert into a document, right? Add the content and style that you want, जो भी style, जो भी formatting, जो भी आपने उस document में लिखना है, that you can type. Means अपना document basically you have to make that ready. From the menu, choose file, then templates, then save option, right? All the things are mentioned here. You just have to follow the process and finally you have to click on OK. Let us do it practically. Now I am opening the writer window here. I have clicked on writer. Now the writer window is opening. It's just taking few seconds. Let's wait for it. Yes, here it has opened. First of all, we have to create the document. For this, suppose I am typing heading, okay, and this heading, bold I have done, size I have increased, centralized I have done it, and any specific font style that I have given, okay. Any other whatever you want, that also can be given, right? Suppose I want to make this page template. Whenever I'll open the new file, at that same time the same file has to open. Then what we have to do, we just have to click on file, then templates, right? Let's move again to our document, go to file, then go to templates, and from here you will click on save. हमने क्या किया, सिर्फ एक न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट खोल के वट एवर वी वॉन्ट टू मेक एज टेम्पलेट. सपोज मुझे कोई लेटर का फॉर्मेट है, वो हर बार मेरा काम लेटर टाइप करना है, एंड अगेन सेम थिंग्स आई हैव टू डू. तो एक सैम्पल लेटर यू कैन क्रिएट, फाइन, एंड दैट लेटर कैन बी कन्वर्टेड टू टेम्पलेट. तो जब भी आप खोलेंगे फाइल, द सेम टेम्पलेट कैन बी यूज्ड. फाइन, चलिए let's see. Here you can name your template. Suppose I am giving the name of DAVPPS, right? My new template name. And here 3 folders you can see. You can choose any of the folder relevant to your template. Suppose this is presentation, backgrounds, and this presentation. So but our document is not related to presentation, right? Then it means first folder will be okay. Means from categories we have to select it, and then we will click on okay. Got it? Fine. I think it's clear now. Now template is done, right? Now creating a template using a wizard option. Wizard means already ready-made built-in collections are there which we can use as templates. Fine, we can also use wizards to create templates for letters, faxes, agendas, presentation. From the main menu we can choose file and then wizard. Suppose let me open the new document, right? Now here I have opened and I am closing the previous one. Fine, नाम याद रखना है, हमने DAVPPS दिया था, है ना? I'll show you कि वो वाकई में वो DAVPPS बना भी है कि नहीं. Now creating a template using the wizard, what we can do, go to file, then go to wizard. Here you can see so many options are ready made built in collection is there. Suppose हम letters लेना चाह रहे हैं, just click on letters. After clicking on letters, a dialog box will open. Here you can see the letter wizard has opened. पेज का डिज़ाइन कैसा चाहिए, पर्सनल लेटर इज़ देयर और फॉर्मल लेटर इज़ देयर, बिजनेस लेटर इज़ देयर. In business letter again modern letter is there. Whatever you want to choose you can do. Then click on next. Then printed items, what you want to get printed on your document, logo if you want, then tick. If you don't want that, then untick. Same thing, salutations, subject line, if you want to show the subject, then that should be there or not. Fine, salutation you want, then it's okay. Fine, then tick, otherwise untick. Or salutation may be these options, dear sir, ma'am, if you want to say, then you can choose from here. In the last sincerely करना है या best regards करना है और नहीं करना है, then untick. Got it? All these things you can decide. Then just click on next. After clicking on next, here it is asking you use users data for return address. Means any new address you want to specify, then here and here you can specify the address which will already you will get printed in your document. Okay, but here I am already using the default one. Then next, here in the footer, what you want, your name or anything else. Suppose I am just writing my name, that yours sincerely Rekha Sharma. Got it? Now next, create a letter from this template. If you want to name this a template, you can put it here. अभी हमने DAVPPS बनाया था. Now I am preparing DAVPPS 1. Okay, create a letter from this template. If you want to create letter from this template, then it's click on this or make manual changes. Then I'll prefer to put it here only. Then click on finish. The file already exists. Do you want to overwrite? How the file is there? Maybe we have created any of the I'm just doing it little faster. Okay, here DS best regards. Next, here I have written Rekha Sharma. Okay, then next, and here temp1. Let me take this name, maybe that name was already used. Then click on finish. Do you want to overwrite it? Yes. Okay, now you will see, अगर हम अपना लोगो प्रोवाइड करते then here our own logo will be there. Here the first name whatever you want that you can type here, last name, company name, और जो जो हमने select किया you can see dear sir ma'am, subject line is there, just click and write and this is the best regards, और last में हमने footer में नाम डाला था, that's here. This is a template now. Got it? तो जब भी हमें काम करना है, सपोज लेटर फ्रेम करना और दिस इज द फाइनल फॉर्मेट ऑफ माई लेटर, देन वी कैन यूज दिस वन ओनली. राइट नाउ आई एम डिस्कार्डिंग इट. नाउ लेट्स ओपन अ न्यू फाइल. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. सेटिंग अ डिफॉल्ट टेम्पलेट. हाउ वी कैन यूज अ डिफॉल्ट टेम्पलेट. How we can set any document as default template means whenever we open any of the new file, what we do, we just click on file and new, so new document opens. Means in our open office that new document is settled up as the default template. उसको हमने default template बनाया है, right? लेकिन अब मुझे blank नहीं चाहिए. I want to set my that letter, जो letter मैंने बनाया अभी, that letter I want to set as default template. क्या करें? For that we have to go to file, then templates. चलिए let's do it. करके ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा हमें, है ना? Go to file, then templates. पहले हमने जब हमने अपना कोई डॉक्यूमेंट टेम्पलेट बनाना था then we have clicked on save, but now already बने हुए templates हैं and from them we are choosing organize. In this folder I think we have created, click on my templates. देखो DAV PPS we have created and temp1 we have created. Got it? दोनों में से जो भी आपको लगता है, सपोज ये temp1 हमने जो लेटर बनाया अभी, that you want, just click on this and after that from here, what is this? This is command button. Then from here click on set as default template. Click on this and just click on close. Done. Now click on new document. एक new document खोल रहे हैं. What you can see? लेटर खुल रहा है नया, है ना? Whenever you will open new file, isn't it nice? Means ये किसके लिए beneficial है? सपोज एक बंदा जिसकी जॉब ही लेटर टाइपिंग है, एक दिन में 10-10, 15-15, 20-20 लेटर टाइप करते हैं एंड फॉर एवरी लेटर द फॉर्मेट इज सेम. तो आप जो आपका सेट फॉर्मेट है दैट वंस यू डिसाइड एंड सेट दैट एज अ टेम्पलेट, तो जब भी आप न्यू फाइल खोलेंगे अ न्यू लेटर फॉर्मेट इज अवेलेबल टू यू. ओके, आई विल शो यू इट इन द Zoom one. Look, the letter format is there. Got it? This is how we can set what we can set. We can set a default template. जो हमने template बनाया है that template we can set as default one. Got it? Now next is resetting the default template. Means suppose my job is not writing letters, then but अब मैं जब भी नई फाइल खोल रही हूँ the letter is opening. How I'll get back again? मुझे वही blank document चाहिए. What to do? To re-enable OpenOffice default template for a document, type as default जैसे मेरा था पहले, right? How I can do that? In that template management dialog, click any folder in the box on the left, click the command button and choose reset default template from drop down. How? Let's see. लेटर बना हुआ था, right? वापस जहाँ से हमने डिफ़ॉल्ट बनाया वहीं जा रहे हैं. क्लिक ऑन फाइल मेन्यू, देन क्लिक ऑन टेम्पलेट्स, देन ऑर्गेनाइज. गॉट इट? आ गई यहाँ तक तो क्लियर है. नाउ हेयर वी हैव क्लिक्ड ऑन, राइट. Here what you can see from the command button, a shortcut menu opened. Here you can see reset default template. Reset कर रहे हैं हम. क्या चाहिए reset में? Text document. Fine. Click on this. Click on close. Simple. Now let's open the new file. What will open? Yes, it is blank document. Now this blank document we have settled as default template. अब समझ में आया? स्टार्टिंग में हमने एक लाइन पढ़ी थी that whenever you open any of the new file then that is also a template. तो अब हमें समझ में आ रहा है ना, this is also a template but it is a default template. Got it? चलिए, it is a blank template, blank as well as default. Got it? This was the templates. Means templates are used to लेसन अप आर वर्क. हमारे काम को बहुत कम कर देते हैं. सपोज एक ही चीज़ हमें बार बार करनी है, सेम फॉर्मेट हमें बार बार डिज़ाइन करना है, तो यूजिंग द टेम्पलेट्स वन सेट फॉर्मेट वी कैन डिसाइड एंड वी कैन सेट दैट एज द टेम्पलेट्स. और नहीं सेट कर रहे हैं तो वेन एवर इज रिक्वायर्ड वी कैन यूज दैट टेम्पलेट. गॉट इट? नाउ अनदर न्यू टॉपिक इज द टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स. क्रिएटिंग टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स बहुत ही नया टॉपिक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इट इज और क्यों बनाए हम टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स. गॉट इट? राइटर्स टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स फीचर लेट्स यू बिल्ड एन ऑटोमेटेड टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स फ्रॉम द हेडिंग्स इन योर डॉक्यूमेंट. नाम क्या समझ में आ रहा है कि whenever you have created any of the document and in your document several headings are there, then writer automatically creates the table of contents. Means number one, in your document the headings must be there. Before you start, make sure that the headings in your document are styled consistently. Now let's take an example. Suppose I am writing a book. और उसको भी छोड़ो, एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. आपके पास एक बुक है, वेदर इट इज़ ऑफ साइंस और इंग्लिश और मैथ्स. देर आर मैनी चैप्टर्स, चैप्टर्स 1, चैप्टर 2, चैप्टर 3, और हर चैप्टर के अंदर सब टॉपिक भी हैं, है ना. देन व्हाट यू सी व्हेन वी ओपन आवर बुक, दो पहले ही या दूसरे पेज पे व्हाट इज देयर? देयर इज एन इंडेक्स, एंड ऑन द इंडेक्स व्हाट यू सी? वी सी दैट इन द इंडेक्स चैप्टर नंबर 1, पेज नंबर दिस, चैप्टर नंबर 1 में ये सब टॉपिक्स हैं. लाइक दैट प्रॉपर इंडेक्स इज देयर. फाइन. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड द टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स. फाइन. और हेडिंग्स क्या है? हमारे हर चैप्टर के टॉप पे बोल्ड लेटर्स में चैप्टर नंबर 1 या चैप्टर नंबर 2 और चैप्टर का नाम भी लिखा होता है, वो हेडिंग है. गॉट इट? लेकिन फॉर क्रिएटिंग टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट, सपोज मेरी बुक में मैंने 16 चैप्टर्स लिखे हैं, तो टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स बनाने के लिए तो मुझे हर चैप्टर का नाम टाइप करो, कौन सा पेज नंबर है दैट वी हैव टू टाइप. नो बच्चे, नो. इन टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स ऑटोमेटिकली इट इज़ क्रिएटेड. हमें कोई मेहनत नहीं करनी है, कोई 16 चैप्टर्स के नाम टाइप नहीं करने हैं. फाइन. सपोज एक बुक मैंने टाइप करी है, पूरी बुक में 16 चैप्टर्स हैं, 300 पेजेस हैं, तो हर चैप्टर का नाम तो मैंने लिखा ही होगा ना, हर टॉपिक का नाम लिखा होगा, दैट विल बी अ हेडिंग. नाउ वी विल लर्न कि आपने अगर एक डॉक्यूमेंट बना रखा है देन हाउ ऑटोमेटिकली द टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स कैन बी created. Now we will learn how actually in Writer the table of content feature can be used. First of all, we have to place our cursor at the point in our document where we want to insert the table of contents, right? चलिए, first of all let's see what is our document. Here for table of contents, document means एक पूरी book या एक पूरा नॉवल या एक लॉन्ग डॉक्यूमेंट इन विच सो मैनी पेजेस एंड सो मैनी हेडिंग्स मस्ट बी देयर, राइट. उसी के लिए इंडेक्स बनाएंगे ना जो लंबा डॉक्यूमेंट होगा. तो हेयर हमने अपने कन्वीनियंस के लिए आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ डॉक्यूमेंट ऑफ 5 पेजेस और हर पेज पे चैप्टर नंबर 1, सेशन नंबर 1, चैप्टर नंबर 2, सेशन 1, चैप्टर 3 एंड चैप्टर 4, लाइक दैट आई हैव डन. ठीक है. ये दिस इज 5 पेज लॉन्ग डॉक्यूमेंट. यू कैन एज्यूम इट हैज़ 500 पेजेस. Fine, but what is the compulsion? First of all, we have to put headings in our document. ये compulsion है. Suppose my chapter name I am putting as heading 1 and session I am assigning heading 2. Okay, same with chapter number 3, chapter name with heading 1 and session with heading 2. Same with chapter number 2, heading 1 and session with heading 2, and this is the last one, chapter number 1 के लिए chapter number heading 1 and session is heading 2. It's done, right? This document should be ready. This I have created the sample document. Fine. Now click where you want to put your index, or you can also call it table of contents, right? मुझे first page पे चाहिए. Fine, because on the first page the table of contents or index is always placed. चलिए अब आगे देखते हैं आगे क्या कह रहे हैं. From the menu insert, click on index and tables, then again index on tables, and here you will get all these 4-5 tabs: index, tables, entries, styles, background, all that is there, and along with that a preview box is available at the left hand side. Okay, everything I have given in your theory also, and along with that I am showing you it practically. What your slide is saying, go to insert, then click on index and tables, again click on index and tables, right? Then a dialog box of insert, index and tables appears. ये है dialog box. Here the title is already given. Fine, it is saying already 5 tabs are there, हैं हमारे पास 5 tab, and at the left hand side a preview pane is there. Already we can see that this is the preview pane, right? सब कुछ दिख गया हमें. चलिए get back to our slide. I think this is clear. Next is using the index and table tab, the tab which is opened in front of us, first tab, that is index and table tab. Now here the basic attributes are to be set. In it, first of all title we have to assign, got it? Then to how much document we want to apply index. So for this we will prefer, or your book is also preferring, the entire document should be there. We have to check on outline box and create from area box, and we can also add a title. Means पढ़ के इतना समझ नहीं आ रहा. Let's see the practical demo. This is the first tab, index and table. They are saying that this is the title and we can change it. Fine. Suppose I am mentioning the title as details of chapters. Fine, ये topic दे दिया मैंने. You can see in the preview pane also the changes we can see. Got it? Then from here anything, any option we can select. Suppose alphabetical index I want. Then in this, in alphabetical order your chapter's name will be sequenced. फिर इसका मतलब क्या होगा, चैप्टर नंबर 7 में भी ए से नाम स्टार्ट हो रहा हो तो दैट विल कम एट फर्स्ट प्लेस. तो दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर इंडेक्स. फाइन, तो प्रॉपर इंडेक्स शुड बी चैप्टर नेम वाइज, है ना, चैप्टर नंबर वाइज बेसिकली. फॉर दैट क्लिक ऑन टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स ओनली. गॉट इट? देन फॉर हाउ मच एरिया यू वांट टू क्रिएट टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स, इट इज प्रेफर्ड दैट क्लिक ओनली एंटायर डॉक्यूमेंट्स. बाय डिफॉल्ट आपको यही दिखेगा. And then always tick on outline and always tick on index marks. Means here these marks are, you can see these page numbers, and outline, this dash 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 line is visible. All these are automated through these options only. Fine, I think this tab is clear, index and tables. Let's move ahead. Now what's our next slide is saying? It's saying that protecting against manual changes. As it is clear from the name that to protect the table of contents from being changed accidentally. Suppose keyboard से मेरा हाथ press हो जाए तो index part can be changed, or anybody knowingly that wants to change the index or table of contents, then if this box is checked, then table of contents can only be changed using the insert table and index window. and if it is not checked, then manually changes can be done, right? I'll show you this in a short while. Then changing the number of levels means the heading, then subheading, then uski subheading. If you want to portray your index in such sequence, then you can specify the levels. By default 10 is there and we'll prefer why to change. 10 हमने दिए हैं, but almost हम कितने level use करते हैं? Suppose for example in our document only chapter name is there, then after that session name is there, so only 2 levels are there, but let it be 10 for forever. Now see, this is the first step. हमने किसकी बात करी अभी? This one, protected against manual changes. Got it? If we keep tick on this, then nobody can change the index which we will create manually. Means direct आपके document पे typing करके nobody can change. But if we untick this, then anybody can change. Got it? So it is preferred to keep it ticked, right? Next is levels. Here you can see the levels. By default they are displayed 10 and will prefer that it should be kept the same, right? Next, it is saying assigning custom styles. Fine. Writing automatically assigns to the table of contents all paragraph formatted by default heading styles. Means whatever the styles we have given in the heading 1 and heading 2, the same styles are assigned to are the selected chapter name or session. हमने अभी किया ना assign, styles assign हो गए थे. But if we don't like that formatting, then from additional styles we can change that formatting also. Fine. कैसे? Let's see. Here this formatting is visible to us. Heading are given, heading 2 is given already, but I don't like this type of formatting. Then what we can do, here you can see additional styles are there. Click on this style and here you will see these 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. Here different types of headings you will see. Fine. If you know that this one is the best one, right, then click on this and click on OK. अगर और आपको चाहिए, you can move ahead, right side, fine, and you can move back also. But I'll prefer that whatever we have chosen, that is the best one. Fine. So I am cancelling, and if you want to assign this heading formatting, then click on OK. Right? This is clear. Next is, I think all this I have made clear. Next is using entries tab. Now first tab हमने सीखा, that is index and tables tab. Next tab is entries tab. In entries tab, it is used to format the entries in the table of contents. Entries means जो chapter name, session, whatever will be visible in your contents, in table of contents. Fine. For each outline level you can add or delete elements. We can add from our own side. Means by default automatically the table of contents will be created, but if still you want to add something, then that can be added using the entries tab. To begin, click a level number in the level column to select the outline level whose element you want to format, and after that these 5 buttons will be visible to you. First button is E hash, it means chapter number is there. Then entry text, T means tab stop, hash means page number, and these 2 buttons not visible on your structure line, they will be visible when we will work for hyperlink, right? Then white field on structure line represents a blank space. Got it? Then to delete an element, we just have to click the button that represents the element and press the delete button on the keyboard. Now let's see it practically. Here what it is saying, this is the entry tab. Got it? How many levels we are having here? I think we are having only 2 levels. Fine. This is level 1, this is level 2. Because क्यों है 2 level? क्योंकि हमने हमारे इसमें only वी हैव टेकन चैप्टर नेम, देन उसकी सब टॉपिक सेशन नेम. अगर सब टॉपिक के भी सब टॉपिक्स होते then the next level will also be there. Fine. Here suppose I want to do some changes in level 1, then click on level 1, and for level 1 this structure line will be visible. This E means chapter number, entry, tab stop, and this is page number. Right. Now whatever you want, suppose I want to delete this chapter number. Right. डिलीट बाद में सीखते हैं, पहले हम ये देखते हैं कि व्हाट यू वांट. इफ़ यू वांट टू ऐड समथिंग, दिस इज कॉल्ड द स्ट्रक्चर लाइन, एंड दीज वाइट स्पेसेस, दीज मीन्स स्पेस. फाइन. सबसे पहले चैप्टर नंबर यहाँ स्टार्टिंग में, देन चैप्टर नेम. फाइन. देन बहुत बड़ा टैब स्टॉप्स, ये पूरी बीच का स्पेस, दिस वन. फाइन. एंड देन पेज नंबर. फाइन. सपोज मैं टैब से पहले डैश 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 देना चाह रही हूँ. फाइन. यू कैन सी मैंने डैश डैश दिया, हेयर इट इज़ विजिबल. देखो अभी मैं डिलीट कर रही हूँ, वहीं ध्यान से देखेंगे. गॉट, इट्स डिलीटेड. इस लाइन के बाद अगर ऐड करना है तो आफ्टर दिस टैब दिस स्पेस इज देयर, यू कैन पुट डैश डैश डैश, एंड यू कैन सी हेयर द डैश 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 इज एडेड. राइट. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, यू कैन ऐड एनीथिंग. राइट नाउ आई एम डिलीटिंग इट. आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर. ये हेडिंग्स के लिए था. If we want to do it for level number 2, for them also you can do. Suppose मुझे tab stop से पहले I want to add what, anything you, suppose exclamation sign I want to add. Right, added. You can see at level number 2 these signs are added. In the same way, अगर मुझे tab के बाद add करना है, then here you can type whatever you want. Otherwise I prefer not to type, because automatically from your document everything is taken. Right. Now how you can delete? For deleting, just click on your whatever you want to delete on that element, and from keyboard press delete, and that option will be deleted. Right. Clear. चलिए next is adding elements. How we can add elements? I think this thing I have told you how we can add the element. Place your cursor in the white field that I have shown you, that before tab stop you can add, after that you can add before chapter number, before chapter name, means wherever you will click and just type in the white place. Let me show you again. Here this is the structure line, these are the white places. Okay, whatever you will add here, that will be added to your document, and whatever you will delete, that will be deleted. Right. Now in case of hyperlink, what can be done? If you insert a hyperlink, you must indicate both the beginning and the end of the link. Means starting भी बतानी पड़ेगी हमें और end भी बताना पड़ेगा, that for which text you want to make that what, a hyperlink. Fine. Suppose I want to make on the structure line, I want to make hyperlink for this button. Got? For this what we will do? First of all we will click at the left side of this button, then click on hyperlink, then an ls, this labeling you will see. Fine. और अगर हम राइट साइड पे क्लिक करेंगे, then LE you will see. Let me show you here. Right. Now suppose मैं heading का hyperlink बना रही हूँ या सब heading, whatever you want. If you want the hyperlink for heading, तो heading is level 1. Heading means chapter name, main chapter जो है. Got it? और अगर if you want to make hyperlinks for subtopics, then level 2 or level 3 should be selected. Right now I am showing you the main chapter's name, how they can be created as hyperlink. Right. Now this is the chapter number and this is your entry. Right. Suppose मुझे chapter number ही hyperlink बनाना है कि chapter number 1 पे क्लिक करें, then you will jump to, अगर suppose 500 पेज का डॉक्यूमेंट है और मेरा पेज 450 नंबर पे चैप्टर नंबर 8 है, तो मैं स्क्रॉल करने में ही परेशान हो जाऊंगी. बट इफ द हाइपरलिंक इज देयर, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द चैप्टर नंबर एंड इंस्टेंटली इन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड यू विल बी टेकन टू द सेम पेज, कोई स्क्रॉलिंग नहीं, कोई टाइम वेस्टिंग नहीं. Fine. Now what we should do? First of all, click on the left hand side. सिर्फ क्लिक किया मैंने. Then click on hyperlink. What you see? LS. Automatically it is at it. Means hyperlink started from here. LS. Link started. Right? And now click at the right side of this. Click on hyperlink. Here LE. Link ended here. Meaning clear है? LS is link started and LE is link ended. फाइन. मैंने चैप्टर नंबर का लिंक बना दिया. गॉट इट? आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर. आगे चलते हैं. ऑल दिस थिंग्स आई हैव शोन यू. नेक्स्ट इज अप्लाइंग करेक्टर स्टाइल. ऑन द स्ट्रक्चर लाइन क्लिक द बटन दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स द एलिमेंट विच यू वांट टू अप्लाई अ स्टाइल. From the character style you can select any type of style. Bullets are there, so many changes are there. Fine. Anything which you want that you can select, and if you want to apply that style to all, then you have to click on all button. And in the style tab, to apply paragraph style to the table of contents, you can apply different paragraph style also. कैसे भाई ये सारी चीज़ें, चलो देखते हैं. Here what character style we were talking about, यहाँ ये लिखा है. सपोज मैं चैप्टर एंट्री की करेक्टर स्टाइल की बात करती हूँ. राइट. फिलहाल वी आर डूइंग विद लेवल 1. ऐसा नहीं कि लेवल 1 पे क्लिक करके कर दिया सबके लिए हो जाएगा. नो, फॉर लेवल 2 यू हैव टू डू इट अगेन इफ यू वांट. ठीक है. देन फ्रॉम हेयर सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर. डिफॉल्ट you want you can do, drop caps you want you can do, if you want it. These are the different style. Click on it and अगर आप सब पे अप्लाई करना चाह रहे हैं then click on all. That will be applied to all. Right. Now let's move to styles tab. There are several types of styles. ये हमारे वाले लेवल हैं जो हमने यहाँ यूज़ किए हैं. Fine. Now suppose for level 1 I want this type of heading. Fine. What we can do? Just click on this arrow. You can see instead of content 1, content 10 had been done. Right? Clear? In the same way, if you want to change anything, you can easily do. ठीक है. Otherwise, I'll prefer don't do anything here. By default, the setting is perfect. Okay? But you should know in the exam if anything is asked, then at least you should know what it does. Then next is to apply a paragraph styles to an outline level. This I have already told you that in the level list box select the desired outline level. In the paragraph style अभी मैंने ये बटन का यूज़ करके आपको दिखाया that from right hand side the style can be taken to the left hand side. Fine. And how you can remove, suppose अभी हमने style apply किया but I want to remove that. Then for that you have to click on default button. Fine. कैसे देखें? Here you can see default. Right. Click on default and everything is done as it was. Fine. This is how we can remove the styles we have already applied. Got it? Now using the background tab. In the background tab there are two features are available. First is adding color. If we want to add a single color at the background of our contents, table of contents, or we can also add a graphic, means any picture at the background. How that we can do? Let's see. Here we have background tab. Right. Suppose here you have two options, colors and graphics. I want color. Right. Click on color and choose the background color whatever you want and click on OK. That color will be applied. Right. But if I want graphics, then click on graphics. Here you will see the browse button. Click on browse and then any image which you like. ठीक है. In advance keep an image which you want to set at the background. When you will click, that same image will be shown to you. If you like, then click on OK. Fine. Next is in type area the background tab. अब हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? फिलहाल हमने image apply की है at the background. There are three options for that image. Let us talk about the three options. First option is position. when you click on position, you can select any of the positions. Suppose I want to set my image at the left side, left corner, at bottom corner, at right corner, so anywhere we can select the position. Then next is to stretch the graphics, means we want to cover the complete area of our contents of table with that image in the background. For that the middle selection should be done. And third one is style. Fine, this style will repeat the graphics in tile form to cover the entire background area. See here, first of all this is position. Right now we have selected center one, and if I'll select this left corner, then your image will be settled up at the exact left corner. Fine, in the same way right corner, exactly top, middle, wherever you want. Fine, suppose I'll prefer center one, then click here and click on OK. Fine, then area. By selecting area, your image will be settled at the complete back of your table of contents. ठीक है, बिल्कुल स्ट्रेच होएगी, चाहे वो ब्लर भी हो जाए, बट दैट विल कवर द कंप्लीट बैकग्राउंड बैक ऑफ योर टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स. Next is style. Sometimes it may happen that image is of small length and width. Fine, then in that case, in tile option, that your image will cover the complete background area but with the tile form. आपकी इमेज के बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स, मीन्स हो सकता है दैट इमेज विल बी डिस्प्लेड 5 times 10 times in tiles form. Fine, I think that's clear. Next is deleting color or graphics, means suppose we have already applied color and graphics, how we can delete that. For deleting that, from the drop down we can select color and we can click on no fill area, and for saving the contents we just have to click on OK. Let's see here. For deleting the color, click on color. Here you can see this no fill, just click on this no fill, then none of the color, none of the image will be applied to your background. And I think we have done all the we have used all the tabs, right? Column is left, I think. Here, if index you want in single column, click on single column. If you want it in 2 columns, then click on 2 columns, right? Suppose I want 1 column only. These all things I have done. Now click on OK, and you can see that your table of contents, हमने कहीं भी टाइपिंग नहीं करी है, ओके, बट दिस इज हेयर. इंडेक्स बन गया ना हमारा, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मेंटेनिंग द टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स, मीन्स if we want to make some editing in the table of contents, how that can be done. For editing, we have to right click on the table of contents, and then from the shortcut menu we can do that. This is our table of contents. Right click on this and edit index and tables. Fine, click किया. अभी right now we have seen that हाइपरलिंक नहीं बने हमारे, है ना? लेट्स चेक इट. इंडेक्स एंड टेबल्स पे आए हम, सॉरी एंट्रीज पे आए. दिस इंडेक्स, दिस लिंक इज नॉट वर्किंग, तो लेट्स डिलीट इट. कर दिया मैंने डिलीट. क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड प्रेस डिलीट बटन फ्रॉम कीबोर्ड, राइट? और ये चैप्टर नेम है, मुझे यहाँ बनानी है लिंक, तो क्लिक हेयर हाइपरलिंक, लिंक स्टार्टेड, एंड क्लिक हेयर हाइपरलिंक, लिंक एंडेड. हो गया, एडिटिंग कर दी मैंने. क्लिक ऑन ओके. नाउ यू व्हाट यू सी, क्या दिख रहा है हमें? ठीक है ना सब? हाइपरलिंक्स बन गए हैं. दिस इज हाउ एडिटिंग कैन बी डन इन योर टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स. अब चेक करें एक बार. वी आर ऑन पेज नंबर 1. नाउ वी हैव टू मूव ऑन पेज नंबर, सॉरी चैप्टर नंबर 4. सपोज ये चैप्टर नंबर 4 हमारा 450 पेज नंबर पे है, तो कैसे जाएंगे? जस्ट what I did, I clicked on the link, then I am taken to the chapter number 4. चाहे पेज नंबर 5 पे है, चाहे पेज नंबर 1 पे है, wherever it is we will be directly taken. Isn't it easy? है ना? और हमने कोई टाइपिंग भी नहीं करी. चलिए नेक्स्ट इज अपडेटिंग टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स. अपडेट कैसे करेंगे? Huh? For updating, again right click on the table of contents and then we will choose update index and tables. Fine. कैसे? Write updates the table of contents to reflect the changes in the document. सबसे पहले changes करेंगे हम. कैसे? Suppose here यहाँ मैंने सबको सेशन वन लिखा है ना. राइट नाउ आई एम, देखो मैं कीबोर्ड से ना बैक स्पेस प्रेस कर रही हूँ, बट इट्स नॉट डिलीटिंग, मीन्स हमने मैनुअल चेंजेस को प्रोटेक्ट किया हुआ है ना, दैट्स वाई वी कांट चेंज हेयर. बट यहाँ पर मैं, चलो सेशन 1 है, हेयर आई एम डूइंग सेशन 2, चैप्टर 3 में मैंने कर दिया सेशन 3 एंड हेयर आई एम डूइंग सेशन 4. मीन्स मैंने जो लंबी बुक लिखी है, in that I have made some changes and now those changes I want to see here. लेकिन यहाँ तो सेशन 1 दिख रहा है, तो गलत है ना. It means we have to update it. For that right click on this and here you can see update index and tables. Click on that, देखो automatically everything is done. Right? पेज नंबर भी ठीक है. एक और एग्जाम्पल दिखाती हूँ. Here मैं कंट्रोल प्लस एंटर कर रही हूँ, मीन्स पेज नंबर पर ध्यान देंगे ज़रा. राइट नाउ कंट्रोल प्लस एंटर, पेज नंबर, एक ब्लैंक पेज इंसर्ट हो गया, कंट्रोल प्लस एंटर, एक और ब्लैंक पेज इंसर्ट हो गया, कंट्रोल प्लस एंटर, एक और ब्लैंक पेज हो गया. राइट, पहले 5 पेज थे, अब 8 कर दिए. मीन्स मैंने फर्स्ट चैप्टर के बाद 3 ब्लैंक पेज इंसर्ट किए हैं, तो इट मीन्स सबके पेज नंबर चेंज हो जाने चाहिए, बट इट्स नॉट चेंज्ड, है ना. फर्स्ट चैप्टर उसी पेज पे है, बाकी सब 3 पेज नंबर आगे बढ़ गए हैं. हाउ वी कैन डू? राइट क्लिक ऑन दिस and update index. You can see it's updated. Right? Next is deleting table of contents. For this, click anywhere in the table of contents. Same thing, right click we have to do, and from there we will choose what? Delete. Right click. Here you can see the delete option. Click on delete. Table of contents is deleted. Right? Got it? That's it for now. Thank you and do practice.